Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Explorer remote battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2302 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This guide applies to many Ford Explorer key fobs, so let's get started and restore your remote's full functionality quickly and easily. Now let's open up your remote. Look for a small notch or a visible seam along the edge of your key fob. This is where you'll begin. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into that notch. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the remote should begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal circuit board and the old battery. With the remote open, it's time to replace the battery. First, pay close attention to how the old battery is oriented. Usually, the positive side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2302 battery and slide it into place, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Press it down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly and makes good contact. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your remote casing. Make sure all the buttons and the circuit board are properly seated before you press the halves together. You should hear a satisfying click as they snap into place, indicating a secure seal. Give it a gentle squeeze around the edges to ensure there are no gaps. Finally, head to your Ford Explorer and test all the remote's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.